people, welcome back to your virtual world. This is Arvin and you're watching Apple Watch Series 1.
Sun shines bright as it moves across my face. I feel the light and everything is in its place.
Well, the good part about the Apple Watch Series 1 that is cost less than Apple Watch Series 3 has Apple Pay, heart rate function and run all the same apps, similar design and use same bands too. The Series 1 uses Bluetooth to connect to the iPhone and Wi-Fi for internet connectivity and has a built-in accelerometer for speed, gyroscope for direction and ambient light sensor so that the watch can be used at any time. It is splash resistant and wearer can use Apple Pay to buy things in store or apps. If you are an iPhone user looking for a fitness watch to track your activities and monitor your health, watch this review to see if the Apple Watch Series 1 is right for you. The Apple Watch Series 1 can be used for running, jogging, walking, biking, and many more. It has indoor and outdoor settings, although it needs to be connected to a smartphone for GPS in order to accuracy monitor some outdoors activity. This watch has the same basic feature as other smart watches. It uses accelerometer to detect speed and the health app can track walking, steps and running distance. Just swipe across the screen to view the different status. Alright, so when we talk about advanced feature, the Apple Watch Series 1 has a built-in heart rate sensor for heart rate monitoring and fitness tracking, which also calculate the number of calories burned during the workout. It is water resistant enough for showering and hand wash, but not for swimming. It has an ambient light sensor that will brighten the screen in the sun and darken it at night, and the gyroscope to detect direction. The map feature will give you map and direction but needs to connect it to an iPhone GPS for it to work. Well, when you talk about accuracy, the Series 1 has a great accuracy under idle condition, but not as good accuracy when those conditions aren't met. The heart rate monitor uses the infrared LED lights to detect the blood flow and therefore the number of beats per minute. If the watch is worn too loosely, it cannot get the accurate reading. Some tattoos can make reading inaccurate as well. That's all for today. I hope you liked the video. Sayonara.
I woke up feeling great. Today was made for me. And life is good the way it should, the way